Share capital and share premium. At 1 January 20X2, the capital structure of ABC, a limited liability company, was as follows. Issued share capital 250,000 ordinary shares of 25 cents each, $62,500. Share premium account, $75,000. On 1 April 20X2, the company made an issue of 50,000 25-cent shares at $1.20 each, and on 1 July, the company made a bonus capitalization issue of 1 share for every 5 in issue at the time, using the share premium account for the purpose. Calculate the company's share capital and share premium account at 31 December 20X2. Answer: share capital at 1/1/20X2, $62,500. Issue on 1/4/20X2, 50,000 at 25 cents, $12,500. Bonus issue, 300,000 divided by 5 times 1 at 25 cents, $15,000. Share capital as at 31/12/20X2, $90,000. Share premium at 1/1/20X2, $75,000. 1/4/20X2, 50,000 shares at 120 cents minus 25 cents, $47,500. Bonus issue, as above, minus $15,000. Total, $107,500. Debit cash, $60,000. Credit share capital, $12,500. Credit share premium, $47,500. Bonus issue, debit share premium, $15,000. Credit share capital, $15,000.